हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का जो टॉपिक है वो ग्रेडी मेथड पर है। तो हम जानते हैं कि ग्रेडी मेथड किसे कहते हैं। तो ग्रेडी मेथड भी क्या है, एक प्रकार का मेथड है फॉर सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स और अ डिज़ाइन विच यू कैन अडॉप्ट फॉर सॉल्विंग सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स। ये जो मेथड है वो ऑप्टिमाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करता है। ऑप्टिमाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम्स वो प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं which demands on which requires either minimum result or maximum result। तो इसको हम एक एग्जाम्पल के द्वारा समझने का प्रयास करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम P। हमारे पास क्या है, एक प्रॉब्लम P है एंड ये प्रॉब्लम में क्या है, इफ आई वांट टू ट्रेवल फ्रॉम लोकेशन A टू लोकेशन B, I have to cover this journey, that is the problem. So we can cover this journey through, I can go by walk, I can go by a bike, I can prefer car, train, flight, bus, anything. So हम किसी there is n number of solutions, okay? So my problem is to travel from one location to B location, or there are many solutions you can like. With any solution you can go with any solution, but there is a constraint in a problem. So the first word is constraint. So there is a constraint in a problem. Like I say that I have to cover this journey with 12 hours, मुझे 12 घंटे में ये जर्नी कंप्लीट करनी है। तो दिस इज द कंडीशन और कंस्ट्रेंट विद माय प्रॉब्लम। आई कैनॉट कवर इट if I go by walk or by car. So I can cover it only if I manage to go by train or flight. So train or flight is my feasible solution among n number of solutions. So feasible solution for a problem, there are many solutions, but these solutions which are satisfying the conditions given in the problem, these type of solutions becomes feasible solutions. So feasible solution is a solution which is satisfying the conditions given in the problem. So feasible means satisfying our constraint or not. So the feasible solutions, if there is n number of solutions, तो feasible solution जो मेरी constraints को satisfy करता है वो feasible solutions हो जाएंगे. So I want to cover this journey in a minimum cost. I want to spend as much as less as possible. Then it becomes the minimization problems. So our problem demands our result should be minimum. Then it is a minimization problem. Out of feasible solution, one of the solution may be taking the minimal cost. That is the optimal solution. So जो है optimal solution सिर्फ एक solution होगा, a solution which is already feasible but also giving the minimum cost, that is the best result. For any problem there can be only one optimal solution, that is there can be only one minimum cost, or minimum can be only one. If a problem requires either minimum or maximum result, then we call this kind of problems as a optimization problem. So greedy method is used for solving optimization problem. Okay students, so this is the algorithm for greedy method. Algorithm says that कि इसको हम इससे समझते हैं कि अगर हमारे पास n is equal to 5 means number of elements in the list a1, a2, a3 and a4 are the list. So this is the general method for greedy method. In greedy method it says that a problem should be solved in stages. हमेशा problem क्या होती है, solve करते हैं हम stages में, और हर एक stage में we will consider one input from a given problem, one input from a given problem, and if that input is feasible then we will include it in the solution. So by including all feasible inputs, we will get an optimal solution. If a problem is given and having an input of same size, like n is the size, it is having some data, some values, input values, okay. it will go all those input values from 1 to n. This is 1 to n, and each time it will select something from a and call it as x. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? x कॉल करेंगे. If that x is feasible, then it is that is one input, and it will pick up the input and include it into the feasible solution. So this approach of greedy method is suppose if you have to buy a best car in the sense in terms of features, you want best car optimal. The cost will be maximum definitely. Now how do you choose a best car? First you should look at all the brands, and after brand you will select the model of the car available, and at least in your city, or then you said I have checked all the cars, so that I have selected the best car. This is the one approach for solving a problem. This is very time consuming, but we first of all sort out the brands and say that if you are selecting a brand like Toyota and Hyundai, so these are the best brands for you, and in these brands you again select the top model. In this top model, the latest release car or the well-known car, well-tested car you are picking up, then you say that this is the best car. In this really a best car out of all the cars in the next in the market. So what is the approach you adopted? You adopted a greedy approach. So you have your own method of selection, and based on that selection method you got some result, and you are saying that this is the best result, and this is why it is known as greedy approach. So that's it student. Thank you. अगर मेरा वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो आप लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर करें. थैंक यू सो मच.